Prepping for sending your kid to college includes getting their textbooks and computer, getting their dorm and apartment furnished, and a whole host of other things. But did you know that there are legal documents that you should have in place when your child attends college or university? Hi, my name is Sid Misra, and I'm a certified financial planner who is passionate about financial education. I believe that the more you understand the financial system, the more you can use it to your advantage. Now that goes for those just starting out in their financial journeys, those who have been traveling for some time, and those who are nearing retirement. So what documents should parents and college kids be signing? Let's take a look. So the first thing that you're going to want to sign is the FERPA Waiver, the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act waiver. It's a handful, I know, but what this essentially means is, now that your child is an adult, you don't have access to their educational information. Now that includes grades, academic records, and any sort of disciplinary actions that the universities would take against a college student. You as a parent don't have any access to that unless you get this waiver signed. Now you can go the route of my dad and just say that the college is not going to get any more money from us until you show me that stuff, and that is by all means another way to go about it. An easier way would just be getting the FERPA waiver signed. In addition to the academic portion of these documents, there are also medical directives and authorizations that you're going to want to have signed before your child attends university. Regardless of how old they are, they're always going to be your baby, but the reality is, once they turn a certain age, 18, they become legal adults in the eyes of the law, and some of the information that you used to be able to get on your own as their legal guardians, you no longer can get. So the first thing that you're going to want to get signed is a HIPAA authorization form. It allows doctors and medical facilities to keep you updated on information regarding your child's health in the case of a medical emergency. If something were to happen and you didn't have this authorization signed, they would not be able to tell you what's going on or give you any sort of information regarding your child. Another document and form is a medical power of attorney. And what this does is authorizes your child to name someone to make medical decisions on their behalf if they were to become incapacitated. This person can make medical decisions for them, has hopefully an understanding of what they want to see happen. And what you can do is not just name a primary agent, but a secondary agent as well, in case the primary is not able to be contacted. And the last document is a living will. This allows your child or college student to designate someone to make decisions in regards to end-of-life care. If they're in a persistent vegetative state and unable to make those decisions, this authorization will allow someone, a named person, and usually the parent or legal guardian, to make that decision on their behalf. And I think it's also vital for that child and that college student to communicate what they want to see happen so that the person who has the authority to make those decisions can do it in the way that the child wants. I know this is kind of a graphic conversation and something that's a little morbid, but it's better to have these conversations now, however uncomfortable they may be, than to wait until it's too late. So don't wait until it's too late. Get these documents in order, get these documents signed, and make sure that everybody's on the same page. It's an adjustment to think of your child, your baby, the person that you raised from infancy until this moment as a legal adult, but the reality is that's what they are in the eyes of the law. You need to have these documents in place. You need to have a plan in place so that you understand how to handle certain situations and how they want you to handle certain situations. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found it valuable, please give it a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to other people that may find it valuable. And also, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned. I have a lot more videos coming. Thank you.